Afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. It is worth noting how Queen Esther expressed her desires and her prayers. The book of Esther described it, Queen Esther seized with mortal anguish. Mas malalim sa pangangailangan. It's even deeper than one's wanting. Marahil marubdob, marahil mabigat na dinadala at inaasama mula noon hanggang ngayon at sa kanyang naging karanasan din sa kanyang buhay. She even noted and remembered that her forefathers, her family experienced that you are God. You are a consoling God, that you respond to those who were pleasing to you. An experience of deep anguish. Matinding pangangailangan. Yung luha ay hindi nakikita sa mga mata, kundi yung sigaw at luha ay nanggagaling at ramdam sa puso. But we didn't heard any respond from God. But such was the expression, mortal anguish. But we know how God responded and how the Lord intervened in his life. But let us also equate it in our experience of anguish with God's generosity to us. In today's gospel, we've heard Jesus ask, and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. The Lord knows so well the deep anguish, the mortal anguish that we all have. Ang napakatinding pangangailangan, sigawan ng ating puso, sigawan ng ating damdamin sa buhay na ito. And God would not respond our anguish with his anger or with his wrath. But God promises, in your anguish, I respond in generosity. Just yesterday, our nearby neighbors from the Sitio Maisan, experienced not only need but mortal anguish of losing houses, treasures, memories, shall we say. And we are happy how communities around us, our mother church, the parish, schools, movements, responded not with judgment, not with any other words, but with generosity. Let us be aware and let us acknowledge that we too also would sometimes be in that experience of being in our deepest need. Sobrang pangangailangan, sobrang lungkot, sobrang pagdadala ng anumang bagay sa harapan ng Diyos. And it is a good Lenten practice that we respond to one's anguish with our generosity, because it is God's heart and goodness. He knows so well our needs. He responds with His goodness and with His grace.